Good morning, everybody. Sheesh. Happy Wednesday, guys. What a great day it is today. Let's see. We've got Hump Day. It's Wednesday, middle of the week. Hope everybody's accomplishing their goals, taking care of things they want to take care of. Ready? Zoom is set up, ready to go. We are ready. We are ready. I'm beginning up from the stream a lot, so what I decided to do was grab 3 cups of water and just drink them throughout the stream, so I don't have to get up, because one water isn't enough. I also try not to eat anything while I'm trading. Try to keep limit myself from feeling bad, and whether it's stomach ache or whether wanting to use the restroom. I just try to be as healthy as I can while trading. You gotta feel sharp, It's like when you go play poker. I don't know if some of you guys play poker, but when you guys go play poker, you guys don't want to feel like shit, right? You guys don't want to lose money, feeling like shit. I don't fucking trade when I'm drunk. I don't fucking. I don't do a lot of things while I trade. Discipline. Let me put this guy up here. Let me remove any press. So we've got this. Let's go to daily. Let's start off with the daily with everything, real quick. What up, Kim? Let's go over here. You know. Yep. So I remember earlier this week. Well, since this trend channel has been set since last week, I believe. It's valid both on multiple time frames. As you guys can see here on the weekly, it's pretty valid. We're starting to close in towards the top. Monthly, pretty valid as well. And the dailies where I like it the most. This is where I like seeing it the most. Put it here. So I do expect this to come to the bottom of this, to the support of the trend line. So we could see 1979 area. Let me put a nice area, level of support right there. Right there, yeah. Seems pretty clean. Also, this is why I like to start from the date, from the top, from the weekly, monthly, just so I can start seeing any new levels of support and resistance as well. So I can expect price to get to a certain area, um, where I can start looking to see where I'm willing to get in, where to get out potentially. I start also practicing patience here, right? Because on the 15-minute time frame, it well actually looks like we're setting off as we speak, but I'm gonna sit out on that trade. Even if it does play out, we should be able to see 40 pips on the sells. But let's be patient. Let's wait. We could still reject this area where we're at, 1984. We did have I don't know what happened here. Do we have any news? I don't think we have any news today. We have yellow folder news. That I do know. But we'll go ahead and check just in case. We don't want to get caught off guard with any volume on the wrong side. Yeah, building permits, housing, crude oil inventories. This will probably be could be key, but well, news was already released, so doesn't I guess that's what was this right here about a 40 pip candle. I guess that's what happened there. News. I just go back to the daily real quick. We're looking pretty bearish on the daily. We did reject this trend line that I had set up here yesterday. Pretty good trend line. Pretty valid trend line. We have more, and if anybody is wondering, anybody who's on the YouTube wondering, what makes a trend line valid, thank you. I hope you're doing great as well. That was really nice. Nicest comment I've heard all morning. First one, fire. Um, so this is what makes a trend line valid, right? I like to see multiple touches. We have one touch here. Let me actually use this guy. We have one touch here. Then we have another one over here. As you guys can see, we have two touches actually here. And then we have another one over here. Multiple touches, as you guys can see. That's what makes, that's the confluences that I have that makes this trend line valid. I have multiple touches. We rejected there. We're also seeing a channel start to form as well, which is pretty clean. We have our swing high over here, and we have our lower low over here, lower high, lower low, lower high, and now we've formed a new lower low. So what can we expect, guys? We can expect now, after, let's see how low this this lower low is going to be. We do have a lot of reaction at this level as well, so this is a nice level of demand as well. um Insane amount of reaction that we have at this level. As you guys can see, all of this is reaction along with rejection on the 1985 area. So definitely will be extremely patient, guys. Just how you guys saw this retracement over here. Let me remove. I don't like removing anything. I like my charts how they are. I hope the charts aren't too messy for you guys. Let me know. I hope you guys can understand everything in this. Same trend line I have on my chart, fire. So yeah, I'm waiting right now on. We could either take the buys. What I would like to do is take the buys. Well, for sales, we're selling off, right? We don't want to go against the trend. On the daily, we are downtrending, so we got to be careful when going against the trend. Sales, I definitely do like my sales below 1980. If I can get a nice candle close, let's see, 4 hour closes in 30 minutes, 20 minutes. Um, Look at this. Nice little lower low form, lower high, coming down. This, we have a 4 hour trend line as well, that is valid on the 2 hour, 1 hour, and I actually put this trend. I put this trend line on the 15 minute. That's where I first saw it. It was on the 15-minute time frame, so it's pretty nice to see that it's valid on multiple time frames as well. What up, Luis? ¿Qué lo que? Tenemos una compra abierta en gold. Yeah, bro. On my account, I've been buying gold short low positions. So like on 100K, I have I believe two lots. On 50Ks, I have like half a lot, and I've just been adding positions because I am bullish on gold overall. Let's go here to the weekly. We will see some retracement, Luis. That is why we have low lot sizes on those positions. No quiero arriesgar la cuenta y poner más lotajes y después, ¿sabes? Porque yo sí espero que vamos a llegar a 1975. Eh, that being said, guys, I will be looking to buy gold around this area if we reject. If we can reject this area pretty nice, 1975, we should be good. Now, what I will be careful with, and which is why I'm putting low lot sizes so I can sit on these positions, is because I don't want to get caught with any liquidity here at this area in between 1945 and 1985. It's about 400 pips, but there's also a lot of reaction at this level too, so we don't want to get caught in anything here and keep selling off, which could happen. If we do sell off and break out of this channel, then I will be looking to get out of my buy positions that I have at the moment, and we'll be looking to start selling off long term. Those buy positions are just those are swing positions. They're long term. Uh, so we're just swinging those positions to see if we can pass the account with that one trade. But what up, Delirious? We're melting here on the daily. Daily. Let's go to the 4 hour now. Haven't looked at Nas at the moment yet. We'll look at Nas in a bit. Um, so we had a retracement already. We're starting to mount. I would like to see a range get created as well, where it's currently at. If we can see a nice range form at the moment, then it'll be pretty nice. It would be pretty nice. Oh wait, what the hell happened to my computer? My TV. YouTube. No. Yeah, bro. Chequea mi cuenta. Creo que la posición llega. Okay, Luis. Thank you, bro. Okay, so we are gonna be here. Let's see. Yeah, so I want to see a range get created over here. Let's see if we can. Hopefully, we don't sell off, right? Hopefully, we don't break out of this area, but it is expected just because on the higher time frames, like as you guys can see with this trend channel that I have set, it's been due. We are also uptrending on higher time frames, so it's pretty nice if we can follow this trend channel, reject, and then continue to bounce up. Let me see. Let me check this. What up, guys? What up, Juan? And Luis, mándame un DM, bro. Let's go to the 2 hour time frames real quick. This channel looks pretty clean. I really like this trend line. But yeah, I do believe we missed the cells over here on this. The cells were right up here at 1988. Definitely missed it. It happened around 8 o'clock. I was not gonna take that though. Te escribí en la IG. Hold on, guys. Give me 1 minute. Sorry, guys. I'm handling something real quick. All right. Let's go to the 1 hour now. Right, you know what I'm saying? This is why I brought three of these waters. Look, I have one, two, three. Hashtag heat, baby. I'm gonna win. But I'm already about to finish this first one, bro. I need like 10 waters in this. I've been trying to drink more water so I can stay like hydrated at all times and stuff like that. Especially since I be running. All right. All right, gold 30 minutes. Same thing. Just the only thing I see right now is a trend line, lower lows and lower highs being created. Risky buys are right around here. This is where like my risky buys are. Let me put it here. And then my safe buys are right around here. This is like my no trade range at the moment. Let's go back to the 1 hour real quick and let's look to the left. Um, just want to see if there's anything, any new areas, any support that I could see what we could be holding off of. Don't want to see my risky sells. Where would be like risky? Yeah, I guess at the moment. Risky sells would be this right here, and safe sells below 1979. Let's go back to the 4 hour. 4 hour, we're turning a bit indecisive. 6 minutes, so candle closure. If we do break out of the safe sell area, I will be looking to that'd be a nice sell right there. 300 pips, 330 pips is what we could potentially catch off of that. We will be extremely patient, guys. Extremely patient. Let's check Nasdaq right now. Do you guys stretch when you get up from bed? Nasdaq. Nasdaq, we have a trend line set here as well. Let's see. Wow, we've been respecting that trend line pretty good, I'll tell you that. Pretty good. Again, multiple touches. We have another touch over here. We have another couple touches here. And we're seeing a fourth touch here. The more touches, the better, by the way, guys. So, we're also trading at an area of support at the moment. So I definitely like the buys above this 13,490 area. 13,500 is safer, but on the weekly, see this real quick. On the weekly, we have this coming from down here. So then when we go back to the daily, it's not so valid. We can adjust. It's not so valid. All right. This is why you want to look at all the time frames, guys. Just because something is valid on one time frame doesn't mean it's valid on all time frames. It can be valid on one time frame, but not on another time frame. Like right now, I rather have my weekly trend line. I have it rather set as a weekly trend line, right, than a daily trend line. Look at the reaction we're seeing over here. We're also starting an uptrend as well. Let's go to the 4 hour. Look at that nice uptrend right there. You have your low over here, you have your high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So we could expect that higher low to be formed and then continue to take off. Pretty clean, pretty clean. What up, Ruben? Just another day, another dollar to be made. Are you in any trades at the moment? Let's see, Nasdaq. So yeah, guys. Right now this is like a no trade range for me on Nasdaq. Risky sells over here. Safe sells are actually below on 13361. Let's see this. Let's go to 2 hour real quick. I don't know if I want to sell anytime soon on Nasdaq just because we've been uptrending on every single time frame. So it's definitely pretty risky. We could sell just risky sells for me. I'd rather buy. But I'm not gonna have a bias in the market. Just because I rather buy doesn't mean I'm not open to the sells. I am open to the sells. Let's put this guy over here so we can know 13,500 is where I'd be willing to buy. This is like my no trade range at the moment, guys. So the gold is trading inside underneath that trend line. Let's see if it'll break out of it. Nope. Pretty valid trend line, guys. We also have a strong level of support over here. We are up 3 for 3 for the week. two trades called on Monday, profit. Yesterday, one trade called profit. So we want to be extra careful. Let's preserve our capital. Let's protect our profits. Let's try to look for great setups. Oh, just the two of us. Oh, sometimes, guys, you just gotta wait. We did just see a 4 hour candle closure. Let's see how the 4 hour candle closed. 4 hour candle closed. Bearish, okay. We're starting to see we have a bullish candle at the moment. Well, for the past 4 minutes, we've been bullish. Telling you, look at this is a 1 hour time frame, and look at that trend line. What a nice trend line. Sometimes, guys, nice trend line. I'm definitely not getting caught in this range. Let's check out the DXY. Since let me fucking. I don't know if can you guys hear those notifications from the computer? Me put focus. I'm not gonna turn it off. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. If you guys can hear, let me know so I can turn it off. Okay, we're rejecting this trend line over here. Let's look at the DXY. That's what I wanted to do. Save. DXY. What's up with the dollar? Shit. We just have we've just been longing on the dollar for the past day. What's up with this? What's going on there? Hmm. Interesting. Dollar is moving pretty interesting. Look at this. Is it an, look at this indecisive candle we have right there. The dollar is not sure which direction it wants to go. But if we look at the higher time frames, we've just been setting off. When we start, if we break out on the DXY, if we break out of 100, it's kind of, I would say we're probably, if we were to reach this level, we're probably like a couple months away from this level at 100.5 hundred. But if we break out of this area right here, we'd be breaking market structure, and you should be concerned if we break out of this area. Like the whole economy itself should be concerned if we break out of this area. I just go back to gold. Now that I know what DXY, how the DXY is moving. Let's put 30 minutes so we can look at our trend line. Just the two of us. We can get a candle closure over here on the 30-minute time frame. Let's check out the 1 hour before. 1 hour closes in 50 minutes. If we can get a 30-minute, 15-minute, sorry guys. Yeah, I want to see candle closures up here on the above 1988. I want to see us trade above it, and then possibly on the breakout of that range over here, we could execute, or we could, if we break out of this trend line, reject this area of resistance, retrace and respect this trend line, then I will possibly put a very short stop loss and ride it all the way. TP1 being around this level over here, and then TP2 being somewhere up here, and then TP3 up here. But I would like, if we were to sell, I want to sell. I would like to sell here. See candle closures right below 1984, and trade underneath it. Not what happened here. Hey, what's up, my friend? Where would you get in on what you do on the gold shorts or long? Yeah, I know. Uh-huh. Well, you got in here in 1982? And GJ, where is that, like 25% now? This guy's a beast. This guy's one of the few guys I know that can be up 20% on an account. Yeah, we could set off soon. I'm just patiently waiting. Let's see. I'm waiting for this area over here, yeah, but I want to see candle closures underneath and possibly trade above it because look what happened here. I don't, you know, trend. Bro, so I got in these buy positions on gold because I'm swinging gold, bro. And the only reason I'm swinging gold, bro, is because I've been bullish on gold on higher time frames. But today I woke up to see my positions, and I was in drawdown, but like, not much. But I saw this trend line on the 15 minute because I went on all time frames when I woke up, and I saw this 15-minute trend line, and I placed it. I didn't think much of it. I just thought it was a nice, clean 15-minute trend line. When I come and hop on the charts, like what 45 minutes ago, I started looking at all my time frames. I'm like, bro, this trend line is actually pretty clean. It's valid on the 30 minute, 1 hour, 2 hour. Look, even the 4 hour is pretty valid. Look at that. So 2 hour, 1 hour. So it's pretty clean. Look how we just rejected this. We rejected that 1988 area along with this trend line as well. We're trading below it, so we could see a nice play out of it. But I want to be a little. I want to be patient. Facts, 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 facts. Oh, I don't like DJ. I got you just because you're asking. I think I removed it from my watch list. Oh, what is this? What's happening? Like this area right here? Now you entered with pretty good trade. On what? On YouTube, there's a delay. It's less than a minute. It's like 30 seconds. If it breaks what? The low, you're gonna get in. Yeah, 30 minute. 30 minute looks pretty nice. We could possibly fill in this wake fill, but it's about 30 pips. You're in. You want me to put your trade here? I'll put your trade for you so you can see it. What is your stop loss? 15 pips. Look, look what I put here. Dion's trade. You like that? You gotta let these people know what you're all about. Anybody got in this trade with him? He's a pretty good trader, guys. If you guys are curious, I'm just a little bit patient, so I rather miss these trades and be okay with missing these trades. I'd rather wait for candle closure stuff like that. So that's the only reason why I didn't get in this trade. But I think it's pretty valid. I think it could possibly wick fill. Um, my trade could still play out. I could still catch the sells. I want to see if he hits TP or if it just starts to sell off or candle closure starts to happen and the trade goes without me. It's fine. We can still wait for the retracement and then we can catch the rejection of the resistance and the trend line, which will give us two confluences at once. And we could even put a tighter stop loss where instead of having 15 pips, we could put 10 pips stop loss, but our trade won't happen anytime soon. So let's wait. If you guys want to get a trade now, this could be your trade. Put a 15 pip stop loss and see how it goes. How many losses you throw on this trade? Seven lots. Oh, nice. You didn't throw more. I would have expected you to tell me like 12. Oh, yeah. You're risking your profits. You're pretty much risking profits from just today. Nice, nice. And you're not even over leveraging. A lot of people would have been up, two trades, and then they would have thrown 15 loss just to get an extra couple like racks. But yeah, that's why this area support is pretty strong. We've rejected it twice already, well, three times. Let's see. I'm glad I'm a little patient because I like waiting for candle closures. Well, I haven't taken a trade today, so yeah, like I got in a trade last night, but like the a position where like a trade where I open and close it, I haven't gotten one. I haven't called the trade, so that's why I'm more patient than what you are, because you already won two trades, so it makes sense to why you would want to take this trade. But like as my first trade, um, I'm just patient. We just also just hopped on like about 45 minutes ago, so there's no need to rush a trade at the moment. Now, if I would be up two trades, I mean, I possibly would have gotten in on this trade. You know, um, yeah, I woke up like at 6:30, chilled on my bed for like 30 minutes. Woke actually got up from bed at 8. Got ready for the live stream here, 8:15. It's been good, bro. I feel really good. I feel I feel like it's a good day. I've only been up for like an hour. I love it. No, no. Well, the only trade I'm in is gold. I'm in gold longs, but I'm swinging that position. I'm swinging it till um like I'm just adding positions up until 1975. If 1975 we start to break out of that channel, then I'll possibly start cutting my losses. Um, this channel right here. But I'm swinging gold, bro. I'm swinging gold all the way to 2000. I, at 2000, I should be able to have a nice amount of profits, and then if we can continue to trade above 2000, I'll possibly hold that trade to 2020. But I'm swinging that position, bro. 'Cause for the past month or 2 months, I've started swinging. I've been taking swing trades where I'll be holding for like a week. I'll hold for like a couple days, and it's been going good. So yeah, and I was having a lot of like clients who I trade for. I was having a lot of them like complaints as to like why I'm posting like those profits and not taking those trades on their accounts. I'm like, I mean, I'm only testing it out. Like, I'm not gonna risk your account and just, a lot of people don't understand too. Like today, so I have this one client who paid me to trade, paid me to pass his account. I believe on Friday. I started trading it Sunday. It's been going good, whatever. Then all of a sudden, I decided to take the same trade that I took, the swing position, on his account. The guy, I kid you not, was in drawdown 1.5%. The guy text, the guy texted me like this is just off like bro. I'll even tell you. I'll show you. Oh, like let's see. Yeah, this is off one position, 2.5 lots. He's down 1.5%. So I'm like, all right, whatever. I was gonna add another position, right? Bro, the guy texted me. I kid you not, he texted me this. Where's the message? I just find it funny, bro, cause like people don't understand, bro. No, look, the guy texted me. I'm going to trade it also. the same guy who's like thanking me. He's thanking me. He's like, "You're bro, you're amazing. Keep it up." Like 3 hours later, he texted me, "I'm going to trade it also since I want to finish it. I don't know why you don't put stop loss or take profit, but I do, bro." So he texted me that, and I got scared. I'm like, "Oh my god, what is this guy doing?" So I go look at his account, and when I go look at his account, the guy took a he put 18 lots on GJ, and he took a 3.5% loss. Closed this position. He also closed my position on gold, my 2.5 lots that was down 1.5%. He closed that position. He closed his position in negative, and he took a 5.2% loss for the day. I don't know. I texted him. I'm waiting for him to reply to me. Let me see today. Yeah, he blew the account by 200 bucks. I texted him. I was like, bro, did you trade the account? You took a 3.5% loss. I think you blew your account. 5% daily drawdown. People, bro, I don't know why, bro. Like I had a plan with this guy. Like, damn, can't expect people to understand your plan. That's the thing. Look, look. This is the guy's. This is yeah. No, 100K. This is my position. Am I looking right? Yeah, my position is the bottom one, which is 1.750 that he closed. I was supposed to add another position, bro, and the guy would have been like, he would have been chilling. And then this is his position. Like the guy wanted to pass his account yesterday, type shit. And I don't think he knows. I don't think he knows that he blew his account. I'm just waiting for him to reply to me because he fell asleep like at 3 a.m. Yeah, but I don't think he knows. Bro, I promise you, this is the same guy who's gonna be texting me for a refund. He's gonna be asking me to give him his money back. Yeah. He literally, dog, is that people. I don't get people, bro. I really don't get people, bro. I can help you, but you also need to help me help you. You can't just like we could be seeing risky buys play out soon on Nasdaq as we speak. They're looking pretty good to be honest with you. One more minute and the stock market opens. Correct. Let's wait for let's wait for this 15-minute candle closure on Nasdaq, guys. I'll probably be getting in Nasdaq soon. I will be waiting exactly 13 seconds for this candle closure. You're gonna go in now. I'm putting my stop loss right around here. Oh, okay. 15-minute guard. Okay. I think I'm gonna get in, guys. I'm in. I'm in. My entry is 13,474. There. Stop loss will be right around there. My take profit one will be right here. 13,500. Yeah, I'm in. 13,473 is my entry. Let me adjust this so it can be accurate. 13,473. Oh, we're seeing massive rejection on Nas. In break even. I'm at break even, guys. If you guys want to get in, you guys can get in now with the same stop loss that I have. Lower. Yeah. Wow. Joked. Juan. I just saw your message right now. What type of account do you have with FX Life Capital? Do you have the regular classic or the pro? Um, Low key matters. Just because the leverage is different on each of them. But if you want to get in, if you got in this, did you get in this NAS trade, bro? Let's see. We're about to hit TP1, guys. Bro, I think you hit your TP, bro. I think you hit. I put it for you though. Oh, wait, not yet. Well, unless you hit it, did you close your position or no? Your 1-to-1 actually hit, I think. Oh, so your take profit did hit, bro. Yeah, your take profit hit. Nice. Dion caught a dub. Hey, I'm telling you guys can catch dubs out here. Whether it's off me, whether it's off Dion, whether it's off anybody who likes to contribute. You know, you guys, if you guys see a trade, I'll put it up for you guys, and you guys could fucking. You guys are all beasts. Yeah, you're already up. Like, how much for the day? Let me guess. 25%, 18%. Damn. You're gonna have to Uber Eats me some filet mignon, man. You're gonna have to come to Miami and buy me some steak. Would you? Why don't you buy one like in Romania and like in Romania or what do you call it? No, and why don't you just buy a car like in Russia or something like that, or like somewhere in Europe? Yeah, I heard it's pretty. In Dubai, with $1 million, you can buy like four houses. Well, I think it's with $2 million. You can buy, yeah, actually $1 million. You could buy one like four houses, or you can buy like a penthouse and like the nice. No, you could have your own community. I'll, I'll put all my boys in the community and my family will all be there. Damn, in your house, bro? You would invite me to your crib like that? Appreciate it, dog. I know I have a crib and I always get confused with where you live. Casa, casa. And I got two houses. Yo, I'm looking at your wall. I like how your is it most of your house like built like that, like that type of wall. Pretty cool. I like that type of like architecture. Over here we only have fucking plywood. Most houses are made out of plywood or cheap wall. Yeah, isn't that crazy? Hey, Juan, I just texted Daniel, but also try putting 0.25 or point 0.5 lots. Don't go more than that, and you should be good. Juan is, yeah, he has a live account with FX Live Capital. I have an account with FX Live Capital, but I haven't touched it. I've been, I don't know, I've just been trading prop for money. I was actually gonna test out this new broker, Eagle FX, see how they are. You've you've used Eagle FX? Yeah, I know, bro. I know. I just wanna. I low key need to though because I'm testing out this new bot and I want to see how it does. So that's why I'm just gonna put like $500 to $1,000 that I don't care about losing and testing out the bot and see if it goes good with that. But if it goes good, then I'll just continue to I'll start using it on other accounts and actual people's accounts and shit. But I like testing it on my accounts first, and I like testing it with like actual real money to see if they pay out, no issue. I know you're terrified. Oh, look at gold. Oh, you like using IC markets? Facts. Larger banks is a pretty good beast. Hold on. Yeah, I'm replying to somebody real quick. God damn. Sheesh. Yeah, you did catch 50 pips. That was a good trade. I'm so I'm so stuck in this. Look, damn, I don't. I'm just stuck in this Nas trade. Yeah, I'm going to move my stop loss even lower, guys, on Nasdaq for anybody who's in. Dale, brother. Oh, let me. I'll respond to you right now on IG. All right. Dale, brother. Peace. Great guy. Very. Yeah, guys. My stop loss is about to hit on this. Yep. There you go. Hit. 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 Yeah. There. Um. Okay, but at least it wasn't much. At least it was just a little. I think I did pretty good. Managing my risk. We're also not trading above that level, so it's something I did not like. Gold might have stop loss before this. It hit my other stop loss too. That's funny. Damn, bro, this guy got me upset, bro. I can't believe this guy just filled this challenge. I had a plan. Why can't you just stick to my plan? That's what you pay me for. I'm on my third water, guys. About to finish it. Damn, damn, damn. Let's remove this. So what I would like to see is I would like to see us retrace. We are on Nasdaq on gold. I would like to see us retrace. and we could possibly catch ourselves here, especially if we're trading below this area as well. Um, Nasdaq, indecisive candle to the left. We could, if we continue to trade below it, you could possibly, for those that would like to get in, you could possibly get in on sells and put your stop loss right above, right here where it's currently at. Take profit could be all of this. Johnny Ventura, what's up, brother? What was I gonna do? What was gonna, yeah. I know we have news tomorrow. I know Fed Chairman Powell speaks tomorrow as well. Tomorrow we could see good shit. LOL, no risk management. Shit, I was like that sometimes. I be doing that dumb mistake. What are you talking about, brother? I don't know what you're talking about, my G. I think I've been managing my risk pretty well. Guys, remember on this trade over here, our original stop loss was right around here. I actually lowered my risk management. I lowered my stop loss, so I only lost less than what I was originally willing to lose. So this trade doesn't really hurt me too much. Talking about blowing accounts in one trade. Oh, you're talking about that guy who I'm trading for? Yeah, the guy is. I'm telling you, that guy. I don't know, bro. That guy. That's something I would. It's like I don't. I don't really do that shit for like. I don't. Really, I don't even do that shit for myself. Like like if I mean depends because like sometimes if I see if I'm like if I have multiple confluences, like if I have more than five confluences on one trade that's telling me buys, buys, buys. Okay, I'll keep adding positions, right? But like I'll also preserve, like I'll see how much in profit I am. I'll see where my account's at, especially if it's an account that like if it's a new account, I don't care, whatever. I have other accounts, but you know how many times I've done that? Like I don't do that anymore. That's like the old me as a trader. Now, like I don't care how many confluences I have, I'm not gonna just blow it all in one trade. Like, dude, fuck that. Like, if I'll put like three positions, and if those three positions get like fucked, okay, I'll cut my losses. I'll accept the losses, and then I'll look for another setup another day. And I have a rule: 3%. If I lose 3% in one week, I'm done. I don't care if I lost 1% on Sunday, 1% on Monday, 1% on Tuesday. I'm done for the week. 3% is my week is my like limit. That's what I'm willing to lose for the week. So if you're losing, like if I'm losing, and that's how I treat people's accounts. That's how I treat my account. I trade people's accounts like I trade my account. But don't be paying me to pass your account, and then you go and take a 3.5% loss on your account. Like it's just absurd. Like have risk management. It's part of the game. Like if you want to win in this game, learn how to use risk management. It's a whole field within itself. It's its own department. Like if you go to banks, banks have a risk management department. They have people who work for risk management. How there's wealth management, there's also risk management. And a lot of traders, 95% of traders, probably more than 95% of traders, don't understand risk management. But it's okay. You only learn through your losses. That's how I learned. I learned by failing more than 8 accounts. I learned by losing thousands of dollars. I learned by losing. And that's how I learned. So that's why I'm not willing to go and just over leverage on this trade or on this trade or move my stop loss and keep moving my stop loss or just keep adding positions and adding positions and adding positions. Like, no, bro. Stop loss is there for a reason. Stop loss hits, you're done for the day. On to another trade. On to another day. But that's how we hopefully next challenge the guy gets, he doesn't make the same mistakes. You also have to understand people. A lot of people go for that one trade because they're desperate to get out of a situation that they're in. A lot of people want to run from pain, um, but they're not willing to put in the work that it takes to be able to get out of pain. They just want to get out of pain, and they do whatever it takes to get out of it, just out of that desperation. But when you're desperate, is when you make the most mistakes. You just hold your emotions together, be calm, be patient, and always leave emotions out of trading. Like emotions and trading don't go well together. Leave your emotions out, take good setups, have multiple confluences, and then if your trade is good, then you could possibly look to like for areas where you can scale in. But you can't be desperate. You can't be trading desperate, like trading is a career. There's people that like it just doesn't make sense, bro. I don't believe in those one trades that are gonna get you out the hood. Like it's years. It's years. And you'll get out of that painful spot you're in life through time, but not in one trade, bro. It's like okay, even if you win that one trade, you're still gonna fucking lose in trading because you're not gonna understand. You're just gonna think you got it because you won that one trade, and you're gonna make the same mistake again. But losing that one trade will help you eventually not make those mistakes. It's like when I go to the casino. When I go to the casino, like yeah, I want to win, right? But I know, but in reality, I'm just there to have fun. Like I rather lose and have fun than win and think that I can do this often. Cause like, dude, the fuck, like people go to the casino, they win big, and then they think they can do it. They think they got it, right? And then they go and they keep playing and keep playing and keep playing and keep playing, and then next thing you know, they're fucking done. They're like financially dead. Yeah, well, I don't get it. I won that big time. I was like, yeah, you won that one time. It was luck, but be consistent. How about you like focus on doing what you did there, and don't make the same mistakes or accept your wins and just leave. Like a lot of people, they trade and they'll be in profit, but they don't secure profits because they'll be in profit here, and they don't want to secure anything because they want to get to here, but then they're here and then they don't want to secure anything because they want to get to here. Like, no, accept what the market gives you. Don't be greedy. Greedy kills traders. You know, greed is it's a sin. So accept what the market gives you. Preserve your capital. Protect your profits. Facts. I understood blowing accounts multiple. Hey, we've all been there. It's part of the game, and if you know, and if you have, and if it's not part of your game, then damn, look at that gold trade Dion called. Dion's a beast. What a beast. What a beast. Boom. Um, Sorry guys, I was distracted. Yeah. It's looking like this is the one trade I'm only gonna take for today. I got in on his trade too. Banger fire. I'm glad you guys were able to win off this trade. I was just waiting for candle closures and to trade below. My patience here didn't pay off, but at least it played out the way it played out. I was expecting a retest, and hopefully, I was hoping that I could grab it off the retest where we could reject this area of resistance and the trend line as well. But I'd rather it played out the way it played out, and you guys win than it play out in my favor. Well, either way, we're still in profit for the week, so I'm glad some of you guys were able to catch his trade over here. I hope none of you guys got this trade, but if you guys did get this trade, I hope you guys didn't lose a lot, and I hope you guys put your stop loss, lowered your stop loss how I lowered it, so you guys didn't have to lose as much as you would have originally lost. Um, yeah, guys, let's go here. All right, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna call it a stream here. I'll see you guys tomorrow, guys. If you guys have any questions, DM me. Um, I'm available throughout Instagram, anytime, Discord as well. I'll reply to all my messages, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow, Fed Chairman Powell speaks, so tomorrow will be a big day. Peace out, guys. Peace out, YouTube. Have a great day, guys. Blessings to all.